What if I told you you could make any video for Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok in only 2 minutes a day with your smartphone that I'm on right now? Well, my name's Steven Thompson and I'm going to show you how. Let's dive into how to make these videos of yours for any channel in 2 minutes a day. The simplest way to get this into your head, whether you are an aging adult like me or whether you are a brand new creator, there is a simple way to create content and build up the courage, because the biggest challenge is the fear of pressing the record button, isn't it? You have to take the first step. There's no point going here, A, and wanting to get to Z when you haven't done B, C, D, and E. Now, I appreciate that everyone in the world is looking for a shortcut, but you don't know what the shortcuts are until you put the work in and gone along the journey. Yeah, you'll get the shortcut from somebody else, but how do you know it's right? How do you know that hack is right? Have they tried and tested it, or are they just reading from a book? Let me explain. So the simplest way to create content in 2 minutes a day is, you need our thinking cap on for this, is to form a habit. And thank you, thinking cap. And the simplest way and most effective way that I've been teaching my students, my clients from all over the world is a daily diary. I said earlier about putting this into context. If you're as old as me, you'll understand Adrian Mole's diary. Back in the day, this guy, TV program, and literally had a diary under his bed. And it's literally a way of documenting his journey through life. It's the same with you and getting the courage to press record and making content in 2 minutes a day. Anyone who's younger will understand the diary of a wimpy kid.
I heard girls say that Bryce Anderson has a cute butt. A butt can't be cute. It's a butt. There's Bryce. Just be cool. Hey, Bryce. Yeah, hey, Bryce. Cute butt.
Now, this is cracking, and this is more relevant and more relatable to a younger audience. Simple fact is, you need to make a daily diary. And let me explain why it's so powerful. Well, the first day is forming a habit. You will understand how to press record, and you will know how you look. You will understand framing, lighting, and you'll understand good audio straight away. But most importantly, you will have found the courage to press record. Most of you right now watching this aren't interested in making great videos unless you are a content creator. But what you'll be interested in is getting new clients, getting new business. You'll be interested in making content that brings you something. It gives you that transformation, whether it's more money in the bank, whether it is a bigger client base, bigger email list, more subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. You will want the outcome. You don't necessarily want to be doing this, or maybe you do. You let me know in the comments below, because I would love to know who is watching this and what you're taking from it. So, are you finding this useful? If you are, leave me your light bulb moment in the comments below so far. So if you are here and you want to create business from it, maybe you want to put a video on your website, some testimonial content, then I want to share with you a story about a lady who did just that, Lorraine. Lorraine is the subject, if you will, of my TED Talk. And it's all around your heart brand, and I'll explain that in another video for you, but all about making that connection and building your business and inspiring others to do well. Lorraine was at a guest speaking gig that I did 5-6 years ago, and I put my money where my mouth was. I put the camera in the middle of the room and I pressed record. I went to the stage, if you will, and then I started to talk about video, how to get over the fear of video and create content for your business so that you could bring in new clients, you can make social media posts, go on YouTube, be a vlogger. Lorraine took from that how she could get over the fear of video, press record, make the video for her business, which is what she wanted to do, and also attract clients. We're not going to be putting our stuff in front of them and pushing all our sales stuff and then they're going to buy. That's just not what happens right now. People are attracted to us. If you put the content out there that pulls people towards you, you're more likely to build a lasting relationship and have a long lasting effect. And that's what Lorraine did. She made her videos. She literally went home straight away, pressed live and went live. And in her own words, her first video was pretty dreadful. Well, it wasn't great, but over the period of time, her videos got better. She understood framing, she understood having great light, and she understood audio. But most importantly, at that time, she understood how to look and feel comfortable and confident, and pass that on to people around her. So she made her 30 videos. She smashed the challenge, biggest challenge that she had to face right at the start. And through doing the daily diary, 2 minutes a day, well, she got over that fear. It doesn't exist anymore, because she can pick up her phone and she can press record and make a video sharing something about her business, about her day behind the scenes, a throwback, client testimonial, a reflection point on something that she solved for a client without even worrying about it. Lorraine made her content for her business using her mobile phone as a daily diary. Comments are my fuel, and I would love to feature your comment. So get your comments down below and let's be featured in the next video. The great thing is, as you record your videos, 2 minutes a day, pick up your phone, daily diary. Here's one I prepared earlier. You can pick up your phone, let's press record, and just say, do you know what? Steven's got me doing this challenge. It's 2 minutes a day, and I'm stuck at 10 seconds. I don't even know what to say. I feel a bit weird. I feel a bit uncomfortable doing this. What am I going to say? Oh, tomorrow's going to be dreadful. You will go through all of those feelings and emotions, but you'll go through them in the privacy of your own home. No one will ever see it. No one ever has to hear about you doing it. And then in 30 days, you're an absolute mobile video rock star. My challenge to you is to do the 2 minutes a day daily diary. And then in 30 days, you will be smashing self-shot video and not even thinking and worrying about it. There's even a link to a course if you want to get on that. I'll put it in the comments, not in the comments. I'll put it in the, I'll keep spinning my hand around for a minute, shall I? I'll put it in the description below for you to access if you want something and support on that. So if you're sitting there now saying, oh, I can't do that, I haven't got the resources, I've just given you everything and taken away every possible barrier to entry so that you can succeed. But what's this all going to give you? New business opportunities, new confidence, more self-esteem, and you'll be able to show up for your audience. And the greatest thing is, the power of video and your beautiful smiling face is the best logo on the internet. I did this 10 years ago with zero investment and just a mobile phone. We put my picture of my face all over our local city. We put a campaign together with my face on billboards at the local football club. My business is called Big Daddy. I go into shops and people go, oh, Big Daddy. And people still call me that now on the internet. So you'll see me ending videos, live videos, especially with, thanks very much guys, see you next week. Much love, Big Daddy out. It's just habit now, and it doesn't feel weird or cringy. You'll form your own signature ins and outs. But the most important thing here is you're gonna gain courage, you're gonna gain confidence, you're gonna smash that video content in 2 minutes a day. So think about that, put it into context. 2 minutes a day over 30 days is 1 hour. 1 hour of your life to make amazing content and take it to the next level. And if you want to know how to take your video content to the next level, creating a year's worth of content without even having to have an idea ever again, which will land, then you need to click this video over here. Please leave your light bulb moments in the comments below, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.